story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, LED headlights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.